Welcome back to News Nexus. I'm Lily, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of bears, creatures that have captured our imaginations for centuries. Whether it's their immense strength, incredible intelligence, or their pivotal role in the ecosystems they inhabit, bears are truly majestic beings. So grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's explore the mysteries of these amazing animals. Bears are much more than just big, furry creatures. They come in various species, each with its own unique traits. Let's take a closer look at some of the most iconic bears in the wild. First up, we have the grizzly bear. This massive predator is known for its impressive size, often reaching up to 600 pounds, and its sheer strength. You'll find them in North America, where they roam the forests and mountains. Grizzly bears are omnivores, meaning they eat everything from berries to fish, and even the occasional small mammal. With their powerful claws, they can catch salmon with ease, making them a master of the wild rivers. Next, let's head up north to the icy realms of the polar bear. These giant white creatures have evolved to survive in the harshest of environments. Their thick white fur keeps them warm in sub-zero temperatures, and their large paws help them navigate through the snow. Polar bears are excellent swimmers and spend much of their time in the water hunting for seals. Sadly, these incredible creatures are also facing a tough time due to climate change, which is melting the ice they depend on for hunting. Moving on to the black bear, which is more common than the grizzly. You'll find them in forests all across North America. They're smaller than grizzlies, but don't let that fool you. Black bears are agile, quick, and capable of climbing trees with remarkable skill. Black bears are opportunistic feeders, which means they'll eat pretty much anything. From fruits to insects, and even human food when they get the chance, black bears are adaptable survivors. And of course, we can't forget the iconic panda bear. Native to China, the panda is a symbol of wildlife conservation. Unlike other bears, pandas are primarily herbivores, and bamboo makes up nearly their entire diet. With their round faces and black and white fur, pandas are some of the most loved animals in the world. But despite their cute appearance, they're also in danger, as their habitats are disappearing at an alarming rate. Now, we all know that bears are often portrayed as fierce and dangerous animals in movies, but the reality is a bit more complicated. Bears are powerful animals, but they tend to avoid humans if they can. They're solitary creatures, and most of the time, they'll steer clear of any potential threats. However, don't let their quiet demeanor fool you. If they feel threatened, especially if they're protecting their cubs, they can be incredibly aggressive. Mother bears, in particular, are extremely protective of their young. If you ever encounter a bear with cubs, it's best to keep your distance. Bears also have fascinating intelligence. They've been seen using tools in the wild, and their problem-solving abilities are impressive. It's clear that these animals have complex behaviors, and many studies suggest that bears can even display emotions like playfulness, bonding, and affection, much like us. One of the most intriguing things about bears is their ability to hibernate. Now, this isn't your typical winter nap. Bears enter a state called torpor, where their metabolism slows down, but unlike true hibernators, their body temperature remains relatively stable. This means that while bears sleep through the winter months, they don't undergo the drastic body changes that other hibernating animals do. During hibernation, bears don't eat, drink, or relieve themselves. They survive entirely on the fat they accumulated during the warmer months. For female bears, this period is even more special as they give birth to their cubs during hibernation. This incredible adaptation helps them survive the harsh winter months when food is scarce, and it allows them to care for their newborns in safety until spring. Bears aren't just amazing creatures because of their size or strength. They also play a critical role in their ecosystems. As apex predators, they help control populations of other animals, preventing certain species from becoming too numerous. In some cases, their feeding habits help spread seeds, allowing plants to grow in new areas. For example, when bears dig for food or forage in the wild, they often disturb the soil, which helps with seed dispersal. This, in turn, helps plants and trees grow, ensuring a healthy, balanced environment for other creatures to thrive in. Without bears, many ecosystems would be thrown off balance, which would ultimately affect other species. including us. Sadly, bears face numerous threats in today's world. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urban expansion is one of the biggest dangers they face. In particular, the polar bear is struggling with climate change. As the ice melts, polar bears are finding it harder to hunt and find suitable places to live. This is pushing them into closer contact with humans, which can lead to dangerous encounters. Poaching is another major threat, with some bear species hunted for their fur, claws, and even for the illegal wildlife trade. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these incredible creatures, and some species, like the panda, have made a remarkable recovery thanks to these efforts. But it's not just about saving the bears themselves. By protecting bears, we're also protecting the ecosystems they inhabit. Bears are an essential part of the natural world, and by ensuring their survival, we're helping to preserve the delicate balance of nature. Bears are not just the stuff of legends or fairy tales. They are powerful, intelligent, and important creatures that play vital roles in the ecosystems they live in. From the icy realms of the polar bear to the lush forests where black bears roam, these majestic animals are a reminder of the wild beauty that still exists on our planet. But they need our help. By understanding bears, respecting their habitats, and supporting conservation efforts, we can ensure that future generations will also have the opportunity to marvel at these magnificent animals in the wild. So the next time you hear the rustling of leaves or spot a bear in the distance, remember, they are more than just symbols of wilderness. They are an integral part of the world we share. Thanks for joining us on this wild adventure into the world of bears. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an exciting episode of News Nexus. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.